Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the most comforting, feel-good foods. Today, we're diving into the warm, cozy world of chicken noodle soup. Is it really the best medicine? Let's find out. When you're feeling under the weather, what's the first thing you crave? That's right, chicken noodle soup. But is this beloved dish just a nostalgic remedy, or is there actual science behind its healing powers? Stick around because we're about to break it down. Chicken soup has been warming hearts and bellies for centuries. From Jewish matzo ball soup to Asian variations with ginger and herbs, almost every culture has its own version. But what makes this dish such a universal comfort food? Let's talk about it. The warmth, the aroma, the soothing broth, it's like a hug in a bowl. But beyond comfort, there's a real reason why chicken soup has been considered a cure for the common cold. Alright, let's break this down scientifically. Here's why chicken noodle soup might actually help you feel better when you're sick. The broth keeps you hydrated and soothes a sore throat. Chicken, packed with protein to help your body recover. Garlic and onion, natural immunity boosters. Carrots and celery, loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Noodles, carbs equals energy when you're feeling weak. Plus, studies show that hot soup can help clear nasal congestion and reduce inflammation. So, is chicken noodle soup the ultimate comfort food? Science seems to say yes. There's nothing like homemade chicken noodle soup. If you want to try making your own, check out the recipe in the description below. So, what do you think? Is chicken noodle soup your go-to comfort food? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more feel-good food content.